For many African Americans, Ghana isn't just a destination. It's a homecoming, a return to roots once severed, now reborn in the warmth of shared smiles and unyielding resilience. At Tomina Castle, shadows of the past linger. Its stone walls whisper stories of anguish, a stark contrast to Ghana's golden horizons. Here, pain meets purpose. Beyond the echoes of stolen dreams, the nation thrives. Across bustling markets, dance with color. This journey isn't about retracing trauma. It's rebirth. A bridge between histories where identity is rediscovered, not in relics, but in the embrace of kin who never let memory fade. Ghana whispers to the soul, you've always belonged here.